Maintaining a clean and organized living space not only enhances the aesthetics of your home, but also contributes to a healthier and more productive lifestyle. While the thought of a deep clean may seem overwhelming, focusing on specific cleaning tasks can yield significant results without requiring an exhaustive effort. In this video, we'll explore some cleaning tasks that may appear small, but can make a big impact on the overall cleanliness and functionality of your living space. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover 6 cleaning tasks that yield big results. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists here. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. I will link this information in this video description. Now let's look at 6 cleaning tasks that yield big results. Decluttering, the foundation of cleanliness. Before diving into specific cleaning tasks, start by decluttering your space. Decluttering is a powerful way to create a clean and organized environment. Begin with one room at a time, sorting through items and deciding what to keep, donate, or discard. Removing excess clutter not only makes the space look neater, but also makes cleaning easier and more effective. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. Dust and polish surfaces for an instant refresh. Dusting and polishing surfaces can instantly refresh the look of your home. Dust tends to accumulate on various surfaces, including furniture, shelves, and electronic devices. Use a microfiber cloth or a duster to remove dust from surfaces and follow up with a polish to add a gleaming finish. This simple task can enhance the overall appearance of your living space. You may be able to skip the furniture polish. I usually dust with a cloth dampened with water. You can save the furniture polish for when the furniture needs more attention. Clean windows, let the light in. Clean windows allow more natural light to enter your home, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. Use a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove fingerprints, smudges, and dirt from both the inside and outside of your windows. This small task can make a significant difference in the overall cleanliness and ambiance of your home. I have lots of windows in my home, which is one of the things that drew my husband and I to purchase our home. We also love hosting. That often means little ones touch and put their tiny hands on the windows. We have 3 kids of our own who are older now, so we relate. What I often do is simply spot clean those areas. One cleaning hack I recommend is that when you are cleaning and you do not see a noticeable difference immediately, the area you are cleaning may not be dirty enough in the first place, so that means you can either skip it for now or clean it less frequently. Refresh, bedding, and linens, a clean start. Your bedroom is a sanctuary for relaxation, and clean bedding contributes to a more restful sleep environment. Wash and change your sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers regularly. Weekly is fine, in my opinion, unless one of you has been sick. Additionally, don't forget about curtains, throw pillows, and any other fabric-based items in your home. Fresh and clean linens not only improve the hygiene of your space, but also add a sense of comfort. Crawling into a freshly made bed at night is so satisfying. Another cleaning hack for linens is to keep an extra set of clean sheets in each room. This makes it so much faster and convenient to change out the sheets. It also means you don't have to wait on the dirty set to complete the wash cycle. You can remake the bed immediately and get to those dirty sheets as time allows. Kitchen appliances enhance efficiency. The kitchen is a high-traffic area prone to spills and splatters. Paying attention to kitchen appliances can significantly impact cleanliness and functionality. Clean the exterior of the microwave, oven, refrigerator, and other appliances regularly. When you have more time, clean the interior. Remember, we are covering areas that make a high impact once clean. Only you and your family will likely see the interior of those appliances. So a quick cleanup of the exterior should suffice if you are hosting guests and are short on time. Wipe down surfaces, sanitize countertops, and declutter cabinets. A well-organized and clean kitchen enhances the efficiency of your cooking and meal preparation activities. Floor care, transforming spaces. The state of your floors can greatly influence the overall cleanliness of your home. Vacuum carpets sweep and mop hard floors and pay attention to corners and edges. Deep cleaning carpets and rugs periodically can remove embedded dirt and allergens, improving indoor air quality. Well-maintained floors not only look better, but also contribute to a healthier living environment. I absolutely love my robotic vacuum for this task. It saves me time and energy and does a decent job of keeping the floors clean on a regular basis. I try to let mine run daily to capture the dirt and pet hair. If you have been entertaining the idea of getting a robotic vacuum, treat yourself. It is a time and energy saver, and many are now as affordable as a standard vacuum cleaner. While the idea of deep cleaning may seem overwhelming at times, focusing on specific tasks can yield big results in terms of cleanliness and overall functionality. Decluttering, dusting, cleaning windows, refreshing bedding, tending to kitchen appliances, and maintaining floors are all simple yet effective ways to transform your living space. By incorporating these tasks into your cleaning routine, you can create a home that is not only visually appealing, but also conducive to a healthier and more enjoyable lifestyle. I hope you have found this information beneficial. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and getting your home and life organized. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.